TikToker Ibrahim Musana, alias Pressure 24/7, was arrested and charged with posting and sharing malicious information that ridiculed and promoted hostility against the person of the Kabaka of Buganda on the President, the Speaker of Parliament, Aneta Among, and State Minister for ICT, Joyce Nabosa Sebugwao. He faces 8 counts that include promoting hate speech and spreading malicious information contrary to Section 26A of the Computer Misuse Act 2021.
The two sureties.
Appearing before Buganda Road Chief Magistrate Ronald Kayizzi, Musana and his lawyers led by Raphael Masaba hoped to secure bail to regain temporary freedom. However, prosecution's lawyer Richard Birivumbuka strongly objected to Musana's release on grounds that the accused person had no permanent place of residence and therefore a flight risk once released. Attempts to convince court that Musana has other residences such as Mukono, Najanankumbi and in Budaka were futile, as there were no confirmation letters from the area chairpersons.
That the chances of him absconding bail in case he's released are so high.
Birivumbuka also informed court that the accused person is safer in prison.
In custody is for his own benefit. In fact, if I were him, I wouldn't even mention the word application. What is the implication is that once he gets out of custody, the possibility of him deleting and interfering with investigations are so high. And yet this TikTok account is a source of investigations.
Having been arrested in Alexis Hotel in Tinda, where he had stayed for 2 months, Chief Magistrate Kayizzi was convinced beyond doubt that Musana has no clear place of residence and declined to grant him bail.
I don't find Mr. Sembatia Ibrahim Matia a substantial suit to stand for the accused person. An applicant who has no fixed space overboard and without substantial sureties cannot be released on bail. If court did so, it would assume a risk.
Musana has been remanded to Luzera Prison until the 26th of March 2024. In another development, Dr. Kiiza Besigye appeared at Buganda Road Court for further hearing of his case, in which he is jointly accused along with Samuel Lubega Mukaaku of inciting the public to protest over hiked commodity prices. To his dismay, Besigye heard that the prosecution was not available to proceed with his case.
He was meant to be here. He is within the premises, but another really pressing urgent matter came up that he had to appear before the Chief Magistrate. So on being called by the DPP, he was advised to kindly first handle the other matter, then I was had to collapse, unfortunately.
Besigye's lawyer, Alias Lukwago, tried to convince the presiding Grade 1 magistrate, Winnie Nancha, to proceed with the trial since the witness was present in court, but the magistrate declined.
It would be an injustice to have the prosecutor before court proceed in the matter, as he does not have the facts of the case or even had a benefit or chance to conference with the witness before court. It is Doctor and Sir, we apologize that today we've had to get you here for no reason, but bear with us. At the next date, the witness will be present and we shall probably maybe prosecution will close its case then. So,
as it is a 2022 case, Besigye says this is no longer a prosecution, but persecution.
There is nothing to prosecute here. The intention is to make us fail to do what we should be doing at all these times. We have to fight to end a regime that lives by injustice, that comes to office by injustice and lives by injustice.